the Explorer YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to make this beautiful rack out of cardboard. So then, let's start. I'm going to make this rack using waste cardboard boxes. In order to make this, I have taken some cartridge boxes. You'll also can take some waste cardboard boxes which are similar to this shape. Our first step is to wrap the ends of the boxes using sellotape. Y'all can wrap the ends of your boxes with sellotape like this. This is the final structure of the rack that we are going to make. Now I'm pasting the boxes on top of each other by using the glue gun. So if you don't have a glue gun at home, you can use any other kind of glue which is capable of pasting the boxes tightly. Now I pasted 2 boxes. Now I pasted the 3rd box. And also I wrapped 3 boxes with sellotape like this. But friends, be careful not to wrap sellotape in the front side of 3 boxes. Now we need to apply some glue on our 4th box and paste it on the structure that we made earlier like this. Make sure that you pasted the 4th box in the vertical direction. Now press the box like this and make sure that you pasted it tightly. Now apply glue on our 5th box and paste it in the vertical direction as same as the 4th box. Press the box to make it tight. After pasting all the boxes, this is the final structure that we get. Now we need a big piece of cardboard. Then we need to place the structure of the cardboard rack on this piece of cardboard. Then using a pencil, we can simply draw the shape of the rack in the piece of cardboard and cut it out. Now we can paste this cardboard rack on the piece of cardboard. Now you all can see that I have pasted the rack on the piece of cardboard. Our next step is to cut the border of the rack. Now carefully you can draw borders in the boxes using a pencil and a ruler by keeping a length of 1 cm. And then using a knife or a paper cutter, you can cut around the borders very carefully. Be careful when doing this, make sure you cut it neatly. Now you all can see that I finished cutting out the borders of my rack. Now we need some pieces of cardboard. I have taken the upper parts of the cartridge boxes for this. Now using glue, we need to paste these cardboard pieces on these edges. I pasted cardboard pieces for all the edges in my rack. Also, I pasted a cardboard piece here. I am using a wooden colored sticker to cover my rack. So if you all don't have one of these stickers, you all can cover your rack using wrapping papers. Or else you can paint this rack using a color you wish. Now I'm pasting these wooden colored stickers in my rack to get a beautiful finish to my cardboard rack. Now you need some cardboard stripes like this. You can apply glue on these stripes. You can paste these stripes in the edges of the rack like this. Finally, I have finished pasting stickers in my rack. I didn't paste the stickers in the back side of my rack. I wanted this to look like a wooden rack, so that's why I chose a wooden colored sticker. And finally, you can place your ornaments, crafts and all your creations on this rack. So friends, don't forget to try this at your home. Though I thought it's pretty hard, but it's super easy. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share your ideas below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.